Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is your Monday upload. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background. I live in the northeast of USA and Canada. It's really hot here today, so I have the AC on. But today is Monday's upload. Since there's only a couple more weeks of summer, I'm going to continue with the hot dog theme and recipes. I will mix it up, but I still want to bring you a couple more hot dog recipes before summer ends, and we go to new things. But today we're going to make a Mexican hot dog, one with cheese and jalapeno, and one without the cheese. So this is your Monday upload. Good to see you again. I've been busy, so I'm sorry I couldn't upload. I will definitely upload Wednesday and Friday again. But for this recipe, we're going to use Applegate organic hot dogs. These they don't have nitrates in it. So if you're going to eat hot dogs, which are not healthy all the time to eat, the no nitrate one is really good. No antibiotics, so they're better for your health. I got this brand new smoked salsa. It's made in small batches. It's really good. You can tell that I already ate some of this. So that's going to be the main theme of this hot dog. It's really good. It's something different. I got organic diced jalapenos. I got my hot dog rolls. And I got some white cheese. But even with this recipe, the main theme basically is the smoked salsa. But you can put anything on your hot dog. I'm just going to show you two different types. But with this recipe, the variations are different. So let me open these hot dogs, and we'll get started. Alright, so the thing we're going to do is we're going to get started. If you want, take the knife and put some like slices into the hot dog. It adds some good grill marks when you cut it. Alright, so you can see that I'm going to pan fry these hot dogs. You could boil them, grill them, do whatever's right for you. So we're going to do that. But like I said, not to sound like a broken record, I tried this salsa out, and it just gave me some ideas for a really good Mexican hot dog. So you can see that I put those grill marks in there. I put the slices on there. So just cook the hot dogs to your preference. Alright, so our hot dogs are almost there. You can see those marks in the hot dogs, like I told you. They make for a good addition to it. It gives it a different look and crunch. But I wish I didn't live in an apartment, because I wish I could have a grill and everything. But you got to make best what you have. But you can see the steam coming off of that. Steam-o-vision. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. Our hot dogs are cooked. Like I said, you can see those marks in there. Now I have a separate plate over here. We're going to put the dogs in here. And we're going to start making it. Like I said, one will just have the salsa and jalapenos. And the other one will have salsa, jalapenos, and the white Mexican cheese. So, put your hot dogs in your buns, and we'll get started. First, we'll put the salsa on both of them, but it's up to you. You could have put the salsa in the buns before, but we'll put it on top. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we're done. We're back. There's the hot dogs in the buns. Like I said, you could use whatever hot dogs you want, or hot dog rolls. I like at times mixing the rolls up and using Euro rolls. And hot dogs, Nathan's are great and everything, but I use the organic nitrate free ones, which are healthy. So here's the salsa. You can see the color, and it's smoked and made in small batches. It's really good. We got those jalapenos, and we got that white Mexican cheese. So let's start by taking some salsa and put it on our hot dogs. I know this is not like a fancy recipe or a detailed recipe, but not everything is supposed to be like lengthy and take take a lot of time. You can do small things with organic or natural products and make quick meals. Like with football season now, this is a good game day recipe. Or it's good for your kids, especially with back to school. But we just use our imagination, and we can create new dishes and have fun. All right, so that's on there. Next, we're just going to go to the jalapeno and the cheese. The cheese, you can melt it, but on today's one, I'm going to leave it unmelted. Like when I eat this later, I just want to have the nice cheese, fluffy cheese on top. All right, YouTube and Facebook, I got those jalapeno peppers on there. So we're going to leave one of them without that. We're going to leave one as is, and then we're going to put the other one with cheese. But put as much jalapenos on that you want. Like I said, I use these organic and really good. So with the other hot dog, just take your white cheese and sprinkle that on top. So that's how to make easy smoked Mexican hot dogs. So that's your Monday's upload. Sorry if it wasn't lengthy or a big recipe, but I figured since it's summer and we still want to grill and it's football season and back to school soon, why not start with a quick hot dog? So I'll be back on Wednesday and Friday. I'm going to bring more hot dogs, and pretty soon in the middle of the week, I'm going to go with pizza theme. I'm going to make new pizzas, and I found new Brooklyn, New York bread to make pizza, so it should be interesting. Alright, so that's the final product, YouTube and Facebook. Your smoked Mexican hot dogs. So like I said, on the right, it's the smoked salsa and jalapenos. And on the left, it's the same thing, it's just that we added white Mexican cheese. So thanks for taking this journey with me. Like I said, I'll bring more hot dogs and we'll have fun with it. I'll bring new hamburgers soon, and in the middle of the week, like I said, I'm gonna go pizza theme, and I bought these really good bistro buns, and they're from Brooklyn, New York, since 1930. So I can make pizzas from this and even hamburgers, but they're really good. They have pizza crust, but I wasn't able to get it the other day. It was sold out, so I'm gonna look for it today. But thanks for taking this journey with me. Sorry the camera is bouncy today. Please hit subscribe, share, and I'll see you Wednesday. Enjoy the week and be safe. Peace.